Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you thinking of investing in the booming UAE real estate market in 2025? It's a hot topic, and one of the biggest questions on every investor's mind is, should you buy an off-plan property or a ready-to-move-in home? It's a huge decision that can shape your entire investment journey. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know. We'll dive deep into the pros, the cons, the hidden risks, and the latest market trends, all to help you make the right choice for your financial goals. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about off-plan properties. What exactly are they? An off-plan property is a property you purchase directly from a developer before the construction is even finished. You're essentially buying a promise, a vision, often based on incredible 3D renders and detailed floor plans. So, why do people love off? The biggest draw is the lower entry cost. Developers often launch these projects at very attractive prices to generate initial sales momentum. This means you can get into a prime location for significantly less than what a completed property would cost. On top of that, they offer incredibly flexible payment plans. Instead of a massive down payment, you might pay in smaller installments spread over the construction period, sometimes even extending post-handover. This makes it much more accessible for first-time investors or those who want to manage their cash flow wisely. And let's not forget the potential for high capital gains. If you buy early in a promising development, the value of your property can increase substantially. By the time it's completed, you're essentially buying at today's price for tomorrow's market. It's like getting in on the ground floor before everyone else rushes in. You also get a brand new, untouched property built to the latest standards and design trends. You'll be the very first person to live there, which is a fantastic feeling. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Investing in off-land comes with its own set of risks. The most common one is construction delays. Projects can get pushed back for various reasons, from supply chain issues to permit approvals. This means you'll have to wait longer to get your property, which can be frustrating. And during this entire construction period, your money is tied up, but you're not earning any rental income. You have to be prepared to cover your investment without any immediate returns until the project is officially handed over. There's also the market risk if the property market takes a downturn during construction. Your property might not appreciate as much as you'd hoped by the time it's finished. Now, let's shift gears and look at the other side of the coin. Ready properties. As the name suggests, these are homes that are already built and ready for you to move into or rent out immediately. You could walk through the actual apartment or villa, feel the space, check the finishing, and see exactly what you're buying. The biggest advantage of a ready property is immediate possession. Once the deal is done, the keys are yours. This means you can either move in right away, saving on rent, or you can put it on the rental market and start generating income from day one. This instant cash flow is a massive plus for investors looking for steady returns. The process is also more straightforward. What you see is what you get. There are no uncertainties about the final look, the quality of the finishings, or the view from your window. You can do a thorough inspection and make an informed decision based on a tangible asset. But these benefits come at a price. Ready properties typically have a higher upfront cost compared to their off-plan counterparts. You'll need a larger down payment, usually around 20 to 25% for a mortgage. And the overall purchase price reflects the current market value, which is often higher than the launch price of an off-plan unit. You'll also find fewer incentives from developers. While off-plan projects might come with waived fees or attractive post-handover payment plans, the ready market is more direct. It's a straightforward transaction. Plus, since the property isn't brand new, you might have to budget for some maintenance or renovation costs down the line. So, how do these two options stack up in the current UAE market? Let's look at the trends across key emirates like Dubai, Sharjah, and Ajman. In 2024, and looking ahead to 2025, we're seeing strong demand in both sectors. Off-plan properties, especially in Dubai, are incredibly popular. Investors are drawn by the potential for capital growth and the flexible payment structures offered by major developers. The government's pro-investor policies and long-term visas are fueling this confidence. New master communities are launching all the time, offering exciting lifestyle features that attract both local and international buyers. At the same time, the demand for ready properties is robust, particularly from end users and investors seeking immediate rental returns. With a growing population and a strong rental market, owning a ready property can provide a stable and predictable income stream. Areas with established infrastructure, good schools, and amenities are seeing high occupancy rates and solid rental yields, making them a safe bet for conservative investors. Let's put them side by side. For off-plan, the pros are lower initial price, flexible payment plans, high potential for capital appreciation, and you get a brand new property. The cons are construction delays, no rental income during construction, and market risk. For ready properties, the pros are immediate possession. You can start earning rental income right away. There's no uncertainty about the final product, and it's generally seen as a safer, more stable investment. The cons are a higher upfront cost, fewer developer incentives, and potential maintenance costs for older properties. Making the right decision is a big deal. So here are some key tips for any aspiring buyer. First, and most importantly, do your homework on the developer. Check their track record. Have they delivered past projects on time and to the promised quality? A reputable developer is your best insurance against delays and disappointments. Second, know your timeline and financial capacity. Can you afford to have your money tied up for 2 or 3 years without seeing a return? If not, a ready property might be more suitable. Third, location is everything in real estate. Research the area thoroughly. Is there upcoming infrastructure like a new metro line or a mall? What are the rental yields like in the vicinity? A great location will ensure your investment holds its value and attracts tenants. Fourth, don't forget the extra fees. Beyond the property price, you have to account for Dubai land department fees, brokerage commissions, and other administrative costs. Factor these into your budget from the start. Finally, analyze your potential return on investment, or ROI. For off-plan, focus on capital appreciation. For ready properties, calculate your net rental yield after service charges and other expenses. So, what's the final verdict? Which is best for you in 2025? The truth is there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It completely depends on your personal financial situation, your risk tolerance, and your investment goals. If you are an investor with a long-term vision, you're comfortable with a bit of calculated risk, and you can afford to wait for your returns, then off-plan could be an excellent choice. It offers the potential for significant capital growth that can be hard to match in the ready market. On the other hand, if you prioritize stability, need immediate cash flow from rental income, or if you're an end user who needs a place to live right now, then a ready property is undoubtedly the better, safer path for you. It provides certainty and immediate utility. Ultimately, the UAE real estate market is full of incredible opportunities in both sectors. The key is to be informed, do your due diligence, and align your choice with your personal strategy. And that's a wrap. I hope this breakdown helps you navigate your investment journey. What do you think? Are you team off-plan or team ready property? Let me know in the comments below which option you prefer and why. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone considering an investment. Subscribe to the channel for more UAE real estate insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.